oasis in the desert. This is Melanie, and this is our weekly update. Here we have our week 1 plantings, and as you can tell, they are just doing great. These have been on a 10% hydroponic solution this past week, and I just watered them, which is why they look a little bit overwatered right now, but they'll soak that up here in a few minutes. But they are now going to transition to a 20% hydroponic solution. I just don't want to burn them by putting them in a full hydroponic solution right away. So we're just going to increase that gradually so that they'll be ready to go in the hydroponic system. But as you can see, things are really taking off. And the plants that I thought were looking really leggy, like the dill, chervil, fennel, are just doing great now. And so I don't know if moving them closer to the light or the hydroponic solution was the solution there, but it seems to have corrected itself. Everybody's doing really good. Carrots all have secondary leaves popping up. We're gonna have to thin those, so we'll probably thin those next week. Should have done it already, let them go a little longer than I should have, but just haven't had a chance to get to them. So our second week plantings, this is lettuce, spinach, here's our tomatoes looking fantastic, and over here we have peppers, which are all popping up, and our broccoli and cauliflower. So I'm going to start these on the 10% hydroponic solution this week to start gradually getting them ready for the hydroponic system. Some of them have secondary leaves, some of them don't. The peppers, it'll probably be a while before they start getting secondary leaves, but the broccoli and cauliflower are starting to get some more leaves on those. So I'm going to go ahead, this whole row is going to start on hydroponic solution at 10% for this week. Let's now go up to last week's plantings. So these are the potatoes. Looking good. Onions are looking great. And the peas are crazy. So I'm gonna have to move the peas to our larger shelf. I have a shelf that's a little bit higher up on the bottom. So I'm gonna move these guys. And the onions and potatoes can stay. The potatoes and onions and carrots will all get transferred over into the Dutch bucket system here very soon. We'll probably be doing that next week because these guys are growing really fast and we need to get them out of these little tiny trays. So you'll probably see a video on that this coming up week. So that is all of our update. Just to let you know, for the 20% hydroponic solution, that would be 800 milliliters of water to 800 milliliters of water to 200 milliliters of hydroponic solution. So that's what we're starting these guys on for this week. All right, so we will see you back next week and let you know how that turns out.